Welcome to our tutorial. Today, we'll show you how to use ChatGPT to generate an Excel formula for calculating the total marks of 10 subjects. Our subjects are listed in cells A2 to A11, with their corresponding marks in column B. We'll calculate the total in cell B12. Let's get started. First, open ChatGPT in your web browser. Now you have to ask ChatGPT for the formula. For that, type a clear request to ChatGPT for the formula. Give me Excel formula to calculate the total of marks listed in cells B2 to B11. ChatGPT has provided this formula equals SUM B2 B11. Now, highlight and copy this formula. Next, open your Excel file and paste the formula in the correct cell. Navigate to cell B12, where you want the total to be calculated. Click on cell B12 and paste the formula you copied from ChatGPT. Press Enter to execute the formula. By this formula, we have got the correct total marks. By following these steps, you can easily use ChatGPT to generate Excel formulas and apply them in your spreadsheets. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.